To install YouTube on your Windows PC or laptop is fairly simple. Now, the first step is to open up your favorite browsing app and then type in youtube.com and just navigate to YouTube. And then from here, whether you're using Microsoft Edge or even Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then if, say for example, you're using Google Chrome, you want to come to this option, Cast, Save and Share. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you should be able to see Apps and then Install YouTube. Now from here, simply go ahead and select Install YouTube and then confirm that you wish to install it onto your computer. Once you've done that, it will then open up a whole new page for YouTube, and you can even see it listed here in the task bar, letting you know that you successfully installed YouTube onto your Windows PC or laptop. Now you can go a step further by pinning it there so that whenever you wish to access it, you can always just go ahead and launch YouTube and open it up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.